I'm Dr. Meeta Sharma and I'm consulting as embryologist at Birla Fertility and IVF. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to Birla Fertility and IVF, where we offer compassionate care and clinically reliable fertility solutions for both men and women. Our experts have experience of more than 14,000 IVF cycles and specialize in developing tailored treatment protocols with consistently high success rate. Now let's begin with today's topic, and in this video I will tell you about the semen freezing, why it is done and if you should opt for it. Semen freezing has started as early as 1960 and now it has become an integral part of assisted reproductive technology. Basically, semen freezing is recommended for the male patients who are undergoing various type of cancers, and before starting of the chemotherapy and radiotherapy, it is recommended to freeze to their sample, as these treatment have an adverse effect on testes. Then apart from the cancer, even certain other non-malignant conditions such as diabetes, certain autoimmune disorders also have adverse effect on testes. So in these cases, semen freezing is recommended. Then it is also recommended in donor insemination program, where cryopreservation is necessary to screen the donors for various infectious diseases such as HIV, HBsAg, HCV. According to ICMR guidelines also, it is mandatory to quarantine the semen sample for 6 months before it is actually used for insemination. Then semen freezing is also recommended for the patients who are unable to ejaculate or produce the sample on the day of ovum pickup. It may be due to certain emotional stress, or it may be due to the stress by which they are not able to produce the sample due to the environment factors, or maybe under stress. Then it is also recommended to those males who are exposed to the toxic agents which is having the adverse effect on the gonads. So in all these conditions, semen freezing is recommended. For the semen freezing, the male patient is asked to ejaculate or to produce the sample in the clinic. Once the sample is collected, it is processed in the laboratory, and then special vials which are known as cryo vials, they are used for to preserve the semen sample. Processed semen sample is mixed with cryoprotectants in stepwise manner, and then this processed semen sample has to go through gradual decrease in the temperature, and finally these cryo vials in which the semen sample has been loaded along with the cryoprotectants has to be plunged in the liquid nitrogen at temperature of -196 degrees centigrade. And according to ICMR guidelines, we can cryopreserve the semen sample for 10 years. And for storing the semen sample, large cryo cans are available, and in these cryo cans the samples are preserved for the prolonged period of time. Cryoprotectants are the agents which prevent the damage to the spermatozoa due to the very low temperature of the liquid nitrogen. If you would like to know more about the treatments for infertility, click the subscribe button below and visit our website for more information. If you have any unanswered question, please comment below and we will make more video for you.